story time! Today's story, Molly, the Muffin Fairy. Molly the Muffin Fairy was famous in fairyland for making perfect muffins, some small and some quite grand. Each one was baked till spongy, golden, soft and sweet. Her wand put her in big blueberries to make the treats complete. The blueberries came in boxes, delivered by Mel and Kerry, her two best friends who drove a truck shaped like a giant berry. But then one day when baking, Molly's temper began to fray. Her muffins had no softness. She was having a bad bake day. Her baking got no better, and soon Molly's fairy home was full of rubbery muffins with tops as hard as stone. Molly was not happy. The baking was making her mad. She fussed and fumed and finally flipped. What she did was really bad. She grabbed a tray of muffins and threw them to the floor, then took a muffin in her hand and hurled it out the door. The muffin hit her trampoline and bounced up in the air. The strangest scene there's ever been followed on from there. It bounced and bumped and pinged and ponged, flying to and fro, startling a squirrel who scampered and woke a porcupine down below. Up with a start, the porcupine ran to find a safe place to hide. But he poked the edge of Molly's pool, his spikes making holes in the side. Water gushed out from the holes, flooding the road all around. Then Mel and Kerry's truck arrived, but how would they cross the wet ground? Molly cried, "It's all a mess!" Mel said, "Oh, stop whining. Those muffins of yours could help us. Every cloud has a silver lining." Maybe they could make a path. Just try and see. So Molly laid the muffins down and the truck crossed easily. Then before the fairy's eyes, the muffins began to expand. Soaking up water, they became the biggest in fairyland. "The muffins feel soft," cried Molly. "Don't eat them though, they're not clean. But squashed together, I think they'll make the best ever trampoline." Molly learned that when things look bad, you can always find a way to see things from the sunny side and turn around your day. The end. What a great story! Maybe you could join us for another story time in the next video. Thanks! Don't forget to like and subscribe.